I really like that.
It's fun, isn't it?
I like that, yeah.
It's not powerful, but you've got like it's just everywhere. It's just like noise, bang, 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 bang. And
Yeah.
really easy to.
There's enough power to overtake cars and stuff.
Yeah.
That's great. That is. That's a lot of fun, and it feels like you're just floating. On this, you can see the windscreen and everything.
This, you literally just like at one minute I was just like tucking in.
Yeah.
And you just completely out of all the elements. I think at one point I just went and I looked down and went, fucking hell.
Yeah. I bet you didn't even get up to the high revs either.
No, I think I didn't redline it.
No.
To be fair, I've been driving that all day, so I'm used to just
exactly. On this, about here is when it starts to get really fast.
Yeah.
And up here is like a rocket. but if you're in second gear and you're up at that rev, you're already at like 80, 90 miles an hour.
I mean, I think one straight is about 120, and I was like, fucking hell.
Yeah, it's like that, isn't it?
But it's I don't think I've ever been on a proper sport bike, like kind of, because it's fucking uncompromising.
Mind you, this is more comfortable than the ZX-10R I used to have. The super sports, like the 600s and 1000s, they're way more uncomfortable than this. That's why I sold my 10R. Because if you think this is uncomfortable, when you're on the 10R, your knees are like this, and it's like painful, you know?
Like my Viper's like, it's got the raised motor things as well, so it's more upright than even a normal sport tourer.
Yeah.
But it's got the extra bit on that.
Yeah.
You can feel like the extra pressure, the pressure is so low, but like the slow speed control. It's just because, I mean, I was like saying it's human because it's like a 1200, isn't it? So
yeah.
It's got a lot of torque and natural torque anyway, so it just goes nice and smooth along.
It is, isn't it?
And when I was going to the corners, it was just like, it just won't fucking move. Like once you put it in position, I was like, you could have your dinner. It was just sort of like tip. Oh, you're locked in.
Yeah.
That one, you literally any twitch.
It did. Yeah. When I went into the corner, it kind of it can move very easily in the corner, but this you have to keep pushing to go.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I was like, fucking. Actually, no, get in.
And it's heavy, isn't it?
Yeah.
You have to like actually bloody try to move it. Like, it's good though, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I actually really enjoyed that. That's a lot of fun. And it's so comfortable.
You see me with the whole like the super sport thing, and it's really easy to just like flick around.
It's so easy to move. Yeah, and it was taking those corners totally fine.